We are very slowly but surely leading up to the last part of the day, which will be a very special closing remark from Kyriakos Kokinos, who is the member of the EIT Governing Board. So it's our pleasure to welcome you on stage.
Good morning, everyone. Indeed, a very insightful and thought-provoking discussion today about this new kick. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a distinct pleasure to see such a diverse network of business, research institutions, universities, and policymakers gathered here today, preparing to shape and propose their vision for driving breakthrough innovation to strengthen the blue economy within the newest EIT KICS, EIT Water, Marine, and Maritime. Hearing Commissioner Cadiz acknowledging the importance of these initiatives in his video message is truly encouraging. His recognition of EIT Water's alignment with the EU's environmental and climate objectives, particularly the goal of achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, is reinforcing the significance of our work. Something that has not been discussed and mentioned, water has been always the blood of life. In ancient times, when the periodic table of the chemistry as we know it today didn't exist, philosophers were talking about only 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water. These were the 4 ingredients of life. And that have shaped human existence. Water in particular has been the foundation of life, sustaining both nature and civilization for millennia, for over 10,000 years. Societies have harnessed water to cultivate crops, fuel trade, and drive technological achievements. The great civilizations of Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, the Indus Valley, and China flourished along rivers, developing sophisticated irrigation systems and aqueducts. Water has always been more than a resource. It is the very current that carries progress forward. And today we are gathering here today to shape the future of EIT Water. We continue this legacy, ensuring that water remains a source of life, sustainability, and innovation. Water, the tie that unites us here today, is an essential yet increasingly scarce resource. Seas, oceans, rivers, and lakes play a central role in human life, health, and well-being, and the preservation of the water, marine, and maritime ecosystem lie at the heart of the European Green Deal. Unfortunately, the overuse and mismanagement of natural resources have placed a great pressure on freshwater, marine, and maritime ecosystems. Discovering innovative solutions to address the water challenge is more crucial than ever. Transitioning from water misuse and pollution to practices that promote reduction, reuse, and non-use across diverse industries is imperative for ensuring Europe's environmental sustainability and competitiveness. To successfully face the pressing societal challenges of our age, we need a multidisciplinary approach, a new vision. We must break down barriers for cooperation between academia, research, business, and the various sectors. This is precisely the EIT's approach, where our innovation model can bring real added value. For EIT Water, this ecosystem-based approach is especially important. It means addressing the interconnectedness of water systems from seas and oceans to rivers, lakes, and coastal areas. Today's discussions have fueled the flow of ideas, bringing to light some focus areas and key elements needed to build a thriving water-focused ecosystem. We must recognize that different regions face unique challenges, such as water scarcity in some areas, coastal degradation in others, and flooding risk in yet others. For resilient European water, marine, and maritime ecosystem, we need to break down barriers facing the water innovation landscape by connecting key players across sectors and disciplines at all levels: European, national, regional, and local. This is where the EIT Regional Innovation Scheme will play a key role. We need all hands on deck to tackle the three critical challenges identified by EIT Water: the water scarcity, droughts and floods, and the degradation of marine and freshwater ecosystems. This will be achieved through EIT Water by fostering synergies with existing partnerships that address similar challenges while aligning with a broader EU policy framework. As a first step, we welcome your expertise and encourage you to think big and bold about solutions. Be ambitious. On behalf of the EIT team, I wish you the best of luck with your proposals, and now we can move to have some water and some light lunch. As you know, human body is 60% is water, so we need clean, quality water to keep us young and healthy. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best, and I hope that the consortia that will submit a proposal to see you all in November in our board meeting. Thank you very much. Have a good day.